Introducing Medicool's 30-minute waterless pedicure. A 30-minute waterless pedicure is an added service that can benefit both the consumer and the technician. Some clients simply cannot afford a spa pedicure. The 30-minute waterless pedicure allows those clients to be pampered while increasing the service dollars for the technician. Say you charge $50 for an hour spa pedicure. Some clients simply cannot afford $50 for a pedicure, but they would like to get a pedicure anyway. What they then do is go to a discount salon. Offering this new procedure will keep them in your salon while increasing your income. You can market the fact that you use professional products and proper disinfection, and you can still make $50 an hour. Of course, prior to the beginning of any service, be sure to consult with your client to determine whether medication, diseases, or disorders should prevent them from receiving service in your salon today. Spray the feet with disinfectant and inspect the feet. Remove all the polish. Using the large callus bit, begin removing the calluses on the feet. If there is a large buildup of calluses, use the bit in the direction of the grooves in the skin. Be careful to lift the bit often to reduce the risk of causing heat, and repeat this process on the other foot. The large callus bit is perfect for removing cracks in the heels. Medicool Sapphire Pedicure bits are designed to remove dry, dead skin only. Using the cone-shaped bit, very lightly go over the calloused areas of the feet until the skin is smooth. Be careful not to apply too much pressure and cause heat or discomfort. To remove cracks, insert the tip of the cone and move down the length of the crack. Repeat this process until the crack is removed. Push back the cuticles. A regular cuticle pusher may be used. To remove pterygium, Use a silicone bit with the machine on low speed. Clean and dry the toenails. By allowing the cuticles to dry, you will be able to identify the excess skin that may need to be removed. The long sapphire bit can be used to remove excess cuticle. And to smooth the top of the nails that are splitting or uneven. The long sapphire bit can also be used to remove dry or dead skin from down the sides of the toenails. To shorten and shape the toenails, hold the sapphire disc vertical, gently push straight toward the foot while moving the bit back and forth. When you reach the corners of the nails, slightly angle the wheel in order to remove the sharp edges that can be painful and lead to ingrown nails. If the nails are thick, you can angle the wheel the opposite direction and thin the nails to ease pressure from the client's shoes. Common situations that might occur include the thin callus that forms on the bottom of the toes. This is a result of pressure from narrow shoes over the years of wear and can be uncomfortable and unsightly. To remove this, use the cone bit. Occasionally, a client has had damage as a result of callus razors, as shown here. This can be avoided by using Medicool's electric file and pedicure bits. Use the silicone bit underneath the edge of the nail to remove filings that can remain after shortening the nails. Apply base coat. Apply 2 coats of polish. Then apply the top coat. For additional income, you could easily extend this process to an hour pedicure. You can add treatments like masks, additional exfoliation, salt scrubs, deep moisturizing lotions, and paraffin. There would be, of course, an additional charge for these treatments and an increase in time required to perform them. Disinfect electric file bits the same way you would your metal implements. Medicool's Bit Sanitizer makes disinfecting bits simple. Brush debris off the surface of the bit, then place the bit into the disinfectant for the time specified for the product you use. Be sure to follow the disinfection requirements for the state in which you practice. Medicool's pedicure bits can be used in any machine that has a 3/32 inch shank. For more information on Medicool's professional products or for a distributor near you, call 1-800-433-2469 or visit www.medicool.com.